Tsura ng antok.
Very comfy.
Wait na, for a while. Welcome drink. Puff, puff, puff. Home. Hi guys. Time check. It's already 11:23 p.m. Delayed yung flight namin papuntang Hanay. Antok ka na? Tsura ng antok. Nasa airport na kami ng Vietnam. And time check, it's 2:12 a.m. So, behind daw from Manila. So, if 2:12 ngayon, sa Manila ngayon, is nasa 3:12. Nasa sleeper pads kami ngayon. Look. Very comfy kahit na maliit yung ano niya. Kahit na maliit yung space niya. At least makakatulog kami kahit mga 4 hours lang. And then yung rate niya for twin bed kasi yung kinuha namin is nasa 1 million dong. Full deck siya actually. And meron din food, pero yung food nila is may bayad. And then free naman yung 2 bottled waters. So, good morning! Time check, it's 7:25 a.m. Nakapila kami for HK bus, sleeper bus. Our bus going to Sapa. Wait na, for a while. They have yan ito, may headset sila, tapos they have free water, and then what's this, I don't know, maybe it's tissue, and then may TV yan, tapos may charging port din sila. Then may paunan. And then they have also pakumot. Our shoes, plastic. Sana hindi mahilo for today's video, pero sabi naman nila, okay daw pag yung cabin. Oo nga, yung yung sleeper bus is nasa lower cabin kaysa sa upper kasi mas nakakahilo daw yun. First stop, guys. Miss, 1 black coffee.
Good milk?
No.
Only hot or ice?
Hot. Dito na magkakape kasi baka maiwanan, and then late na ako bumaba. 15 minutes lang yung grace period tapos aalis na agad. Strict sila sa rules. Order black coffee. Napakapait. Second stop over. Time check, it's 11:34. We're here na in Sapa, and then currently sasakay ulit kami ng shuttle papunta ng hotel namin. Tea, welcome drink. We have booked 2 rooms. Yes. May pa-train you agad. guys, lalabas kami. And then, here's my OOTD. Wait lang. My OOTD for tonight. For today. For this afternoon. Diba? Then, my bag ko. Puff, puff, puff. Na para bang ang cute-cute ko. Pa-fur kasi, malamig.
You have
That's
salt?
it. So hungry.
Ako. Nakakaidil. Pahinga. May soup noodles sila. Buko? Buko?
Ano yan?
Dahil di ba kasi may noodles buko?
Lalakad lang. Papunta sa Sun Plaza. Yung sikat nila dito na na tourist destination.
O lemon jasmine.
Lemon jasmine.
Madaming freshness.
Lemon jasmine tea.
Nice. Hard.
One only. Lemon jasmine tea.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Guys, just got home. Cherries. Time check, it's mga 8 p.m. na. And then, nagpapahinga na kami. I'm having a spearmint tea. So, yun lang for today, guys. Bye!